Assalamualaikum to Malaysia and my fellow friends. We are from Group 10. We present about the labor force in Malaysia. For the third range, we use the sampling techniques. It's called SRS, simple random sampling. And the type of data, we choose quantitative variable, and also for the level of measurement, we use ratio scale because all of measurement can use this scale. In this table you can see 3 columns, which is classes and frequency. In class we have 6 classes, and for tally we make the tally mark to make sure the number is true, and the frequency will make it be true until we get classes for same sample size, which is 50. After that, as you can see, the relative frequency, we have familiar to doing that, which is relative frequency divided by sample size. In relative frequency, we have 3 columns, which is class frequency and relative frequency. For the class, we have 6 classes, and we change column tally to the frequency. For the relative frequency, we do calculation until we get the true answer at the end. We get 50 as same sample size, and for the class 1 we get 0.2, second class we get 0.08, third class we get 0.26, fourth class we get answer same to one class, which is 0.2, fifth class we get 0.40, sixth class we get 0.12, and last for total we get 1, because is small, the one is not relative frequency. Therefore, as you can see, the table shows the data below in cumulative frequency distribution. We have formula to which is cumulative frequency of the last class equal to sample size. In cumulative frequency distribution, there are 4 columns, which is class frequency, relative frequency, and cumulative frequency. As we know, for the classes we have 6 classes, and we make tally for the frequency. We do calculation until the end after using cumulative frequency formula, and we get last for 50. Therefore, class 1 we get 10, second class we get 40, the third class we get 27, for the fourth class we get 57, for the fifth class we get 44. Last but not least, cumulative frequency answer is equal to sample size, which is 50. For graphical method, we decide to use histogram and frequency polygon. Histogram is a bar graph that represents the frequency distribution of data set. So right now we have the table and graph that present the frequency. This table shows the data set for histogram, lower boundaries, upper boundaries, midpoint, and frequency. This is the graph that histogram. In horizontal scale we use for frequency data, and vertical scale we use to the midpoint. For class and the result is for class 1 we get midpoint 20.5, second class we get midpoint 44.5, third class for midpoint we get 62.5, for class to midpoint we get 98.5. Last for class midpoint for class 6 is 180.5. Two, frequency polygon. A frequency polygon is a line graph that emphasizes the frequency continuous variance disturbance show the data set. frequency polygon, we have the class midpoint and frequency. For graph the horizontal scale, we use midpoint of the data value, and for the vertical, we measure the frequency of the data classes, plot point present, midpoint, and frequency of each class, and connect to the point in order from left to right. And the answer is for class 1 in midpoint we get 8.5. For frequency 0, after additional number for second class in midpoint we get 26.5, and for the third class in midpoint we get 44.5. For the fourth class in midpoint we get 62.5. For fifth class in midpoint we get 80.5. For sixth class in midpoint we get 98.5. For seventh class in midpoint we get 180.5. and after we plus for the frequency 0 in midpoint we get 138.5.
Assalamualaikum Madam, my name is Nurul Aisyah Fahana binti Muhammad Syamuddin. My metric number is H22A0887. For mean formula is X bar equal summation Fx divided by N. Means equal 3461 divided by 15 equal to 69.22. Therefore, the mean in labour force in Malaysia spent time in their work is 69.22 minutes. For median, first step is determine the location of the median class. Determine the location of median class is n over 2. N divided by 2 observation equal 15 divided by 2 equal 25 observation. Therefore, the median class is 54 until 71. Determine the lower class LM equal 53.5. Determine class size is 71.5 minus 53.5 equal to 18. Determine summation FM minus 1 equal 14. Determine FM equal 13. Median equal 53.5 open bracket 25 minus 14 close bracket multiply 18 divided by 2 equal 53.5 plus 0.846 multiply 18. Median X equal to 68.72. Therefore, about 50% the labour force spend less than 68.72 minutes, and also the other 50% spend more than 68.72 minutes. For mode, first step is determine the location of the model class based on the higher frequency equal 54 until 71. Second step is determine the lower class boundary LM equal 53.5. Step 3, determine class size or class width equal 71.5 minus 53.5 equal 18. Determine equal 9. Determine 2 equal 3. Calculation the mode equal 53.5 plus 9 divided by 9 plus 3 multiply 18 equal 53.5 plus open bracket 9 divided by 12 close bracket multiply 18. equal 53.5 plus open bracket 0.75 close bracket multiplies 18 equal 67. Therefore, the higher time of labor for spend their work season is 67 minutes. Formula for range is maximum data entry minus minimum data entry. Range equal 1 to 9 minus 18 equal 111. Therefore, the number of current labor force in Malaysia is about 111. For variation, S squared equal 1 divide n minus 1 open bracket summation fx squared minus open bracket summation fx squared divide n squared, or close bracket s squared equal 1 divide 15 minus 1 open bracket 199,154 equal open bracket 3222 close bracket square divide 15 over 1 close bracket s2 equal 3971.13. For standard deviation, s equal x equal root s equal square rule 3976.13 equals 63.06. Therefore, the sample variation of the current of labor force in Malaysia is about 3976.13 and for the standard deviation 63.06. Quarter. First step, find the location Q1 and Q2. Q1 equal I and divide by 4 equal 15 divide by 4 equal 12.5. Graph interval equal 36 until 53. Q3 equal 3 and divide by 4 equal 3 open bracket 50 close bracket divide by 4 and equal 37.5. Class interval equal 90 until 107. Step 2, find the Q1 and Q2. Q1 equal L Q1 plus open bracket xn divide by 4 minus f divide fq1 close bracket multiply c. Q1 35.5 plus open bracket 12.5 minus 10 divide by 4 close bracket multiply 18 equal 35.5 plus 0.625 multiply 18 equal 46.75. Q3 equal LQ3 plus open bracket I open bracket n close bracket divide by 4 minus f divide by fq1 close bracket multiply c. Q3 48.5 plus open bracket 37.5 minus 37 divide by 7 close bracket multiply 18. Q3 equal 48.5 plus 0.071 multiply 18 equal 49.778. Interquarter range Q3 minus Q1 equal 316 minus 204 equal 111.6.
For the shape of distribution, we combine measure of central tendency, which is mean, median, and mode. The result of mean, we get 69.22. For the median, we get 68.72, and for the mode, we get 67.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I will introduce my name. My name is Nur Fatia binti Sarudin, Nometry H23A0157. We will continue the presentation part B. Based on the delta, we have two options. This the independent variable is total study hours, and independent variable Y is examination mark. For the sampling based on the data is N13 of student enrolled on the secondary data. Type of the data, study hour, independent variable of quantitative data, and after that for exam score, dependent variable quantitative the data. And the part of level measurement, both study hours and exam score are at the level of the measurement, while student could temporarily study 0 hours. It's like particular significant. If study hours numerical value have meaningful interval, thought the absence of the 0 imply a complete lack of the variable. Similar, exam score is measured on an interval scale, where meaningful interval exists but a score of the 0 indicate complete absence of knowledge. Scoring below 0 is not possible in the context.
Hello my friend, my name is Nurul Syairah binti Saha. My metric number is H22A0315. My part is compute the person product moment correlation confine and explain the value obtained. First, we need to use the formula shown below and enter the request number like the sample size, which is and the total of x and y. Then the total of x squared and y squared, and last the total of xy. Enter everything into formula, and the final answer you get is 1.5. The person product moment correlation confine suggests a perfect positive linear relationship between study hour and examination mark. That's all for my part.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhan binti Abdul Rashid. My metric number is H22A0193. I will continue about the formula B1 total SY divisions bracket formula bracket total X bracket total Y bracket divisions N, and then total X take X power 2 divisions bracket total X bracket power 2 division N. The next is B1 total 38443 division bracket 465 bracket 2401 bracket divisions 13, and then total 8455 divisions bracket 465 bracket power of 2, and then division 13, and then B1 total 38443 division 37.215 divisions 8455 division 7207.5, and then the last we got the answer, and then we 3.8.405 divisions 2.241, and then we got the answer. The answer is 11.53. That's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. I will continue the next. The next is B0. Formula about B0. 401 division 13 and minus bracket 17.5 53 bracket 465 minus 13 bracket, and then we got the answer 181 point 6968.